Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you are logged in to the account where you want to activate voice chat. When you are on the main screen, look for the menu button. On most devices it is the three dots icon. Click on it to open the menu. Then go to Settings. Inside Settings, go to the section called Account Info. Here you will find all the information connected to your Roblox account. In order to get the voice chat option, Roblox requires that your account has a valid phone number added. If you do not see a phone number, you need to add one. Next, Roblox may also ask you to verify your identity. This is sometimes required because Roblox allows voice chat only for users who meet certain age requirements. If you see an option to verify your identity, follow the instructions. Usually this means scanning a valid ID with your camera and taking a quick selfie. When both your phone number and identity are verified, go back to the settings page and click on the option that says Privacy and Content Restrictions. Scroll to the section called Communication. Here you should see the voice chat option. If it is available for your region and your account is verified, you will be able to turn it on. If you still do not see the voice chat option, it may be because voice chat has not been released in your region yet. Roblox offers different features depending on where you live. In this case, you can contact Roblox support and ask them whether voice chat is available for your account and your country. Thank you for watching.